I appreciate 45 minutes, £500 sounds like clickbait, but if you watch all of this video, I promise you by the end of it, you will know how I did it, and better yet, you will know how you can also do it. Right, let's get into it. The first step that you need to do is find deals. Now, finding deals isn't as easy as sticking your hand down the back of a chair. It's going to take time and effort, or you could have a virtual assistant. Now, a virtual assistant is someone that you pay to go and do all the work for you, or you can get a deal sheet. Deal sheets are usually a subscription model that you sign up to, and you get deals, and these deals are shared out to many people. While that model works for a lot of people, you might get 300 deals a month. You don't know what you're buying. You could buy the perfect deal and make good money. I'm sure if you averaged and bought them all, you probably do okay out of it. But if you're buying looking for the best ROI or the best profit, or perhaps you're on a small budget, guess what's going to happen? You're going to buy a deal and all your business capital is going to be wrapped up in one product, and you're probably going to sell it for a loss. You also have the fast track FBA method where you pay per deal. And that's a bit different, and at least it avoids sort of the saturation. But in my experience from using their services, the products are just shit. There's no good profit in it. It's usually Amazon's on the listing or they don't sell well. So what we have done is we've tested all of these different models, and we've looked at them and went, what's the biggest issue? Saturation. It's not really getting deals. Getting deals is easy. There is hundreds of thousands of products on Amazon. Finding a deal isn't the problem. We have some great people sourcing deals for us. That is not the problem. The problem is deals that sell well and are not saturated. So what we've decided to do a bit differently than the rest of them is we create a sheet that is limited to 40 people. Once we have 40, we create a new sheet. We started this project 2 years ago, and our first deal sheet was £25. We still have people paying us £25 because we honor our prices. Now, our current sheet is £45, and we're about to add a couple of new automated bots, and probably very soon we're going to be on another sheet, and the prices are going to continue going up, and that's just how we manage it. With that being said, if you want to be a part of this, you need to go to Deal Hunters and go to Price section. You will see the different models that you can sign up to. But if you can't decide, join our free Discord and we can get you hooked up with a free trial so you can test all this for free. Now, that aside, this is what the deal sheet will look like. It'll give you the product, the price, the ROI, profit after fees. You can even input, if you have a prep center, different fees to work out all the different calculations for you. We give you the purchase link. We give you the Amazon link. We tell you what the ASIN is. We tell you on average between Jungle Scout and SAS, what is your average a monthly sales likely to be. If there's any notes, dangerous goods, members can get extra discount, use this Unicode, whatever it may be, to get further discounts. And then you have your own Hunter business. This is where you can input the quantity bought, notes, total cost, to keep track of your Amazon FBA business. If you're a newbie or a long-term Amazon seller, this is going to complement any business. The good thing about this is you can choose the drop downs. How did you do it? Was it out of stock? You already got it? Whatever it may be. And this will track your whole Amazon FBA business. Very, very important as a newbie to have some way of tracking your Amazon FBA business. So you've got that. Plus, if you have any difficulties, you do have support included in the subscription model. Now, with that being said, I'm going to show you the video that I recorded earlier where I made the £500 in 45 minutes just by buying deals over the previous 4 or 5 days from the deal sheet. So first thing I do is I look at the return on investment. What's my business looking for? For those that don't know, I have a wholesale part of my business. So the majority of my stuff is wholesale goods, goes in the fulfillment center, or I do it from my own garage. Plenty of videos of me doing that throughout. So this is more complement. This is more to fill up the box. This is more to find unique special deals. So I'm not interested particularly in the stuff that is a low profit or low ROI. While 30% is still good, and it is still good, I'm more interested in those unique opportunities, and that's what I use the deal sheet for. But again, the deal sheet can suit anyone. So there's a couple of products here over the couple of days for boots, and what I like to do is every day there could be a different deal. So this one's for boots today. I look back, oh, there was a deal from 2 days ago from boots. What I try and do then is base collectively an order. So that's what I do. Don't forget your top cashback. Anyone wants top cashback, the refer link will be added to the bottom of this description, so feel free to use that link. That link will also get you massive discounts. So the discount code that it has told us is BabySave5. What we do then is we hit apply, and what you will find is offer has been successfully applied, and there you go, 25 quid. So straight away your subscription model for this deal sheet is £45 a month, and you have straight away, with using our codes that we tell you about, 25 quid saved on this product. So that is obviously really good. So I'm getting my top cash back, which will be 3.5%, plus With using Boots, you get advantage points. So again, it's important to sign up to these things. Don't do checkout as guest. A lot of them offer you discounts, promotional offers sent via email, or better yet, you can get advantage points. And as you can see here, I have £8.33 advantage points. So what I will do was knock that off the total purchase price as well, saving me yet more money. And if you're smart, you use a credit card and you get your 1% cash back. So again, I'm saving 4.5% on top. Plus I'm collecting Boots advantage points. And then the glorious bit is how much? Well, we bought 9, and as you can see here, 12.22, 29.67 is the average price. Now I go down here and I just have a look. Little to no sellers on it. If this was to drop, say, to even £21, which looks to be the lowest price it's been over the last year, you're still making £1.77 and 15% ROI. Obviously not great, but when we are at £29, there's not much reason to suggest that that's going to tank too quick. So let's go to say even 25. You can still see making £4.32, but based on what it currently is, which is the £29, we can see we're making £8, and as you can probably work out, 8 9s is 72. Let's say £70. So with £70 so far cashed in about 5 minutes. Okay, now we've got a Stelvana deal, which is a good website for a lot of cheap discount stuff. Now prices I find from Stelvana normally tank. A lot of people use this website, so it's hard for us to find a deal that's unique, but we still do. But that being said, don't be afraid to hold these things. These things usually very quick. Again, top cash back in, go straight in. Let's see what we're getting here. Online purchase 6.8% back. As you see, discount codes worked, and if you put in £6.74, which is how much we're getting, that's not including the 6% cash back we're getting. We're going to get to £2.65. Because it's an international supplier, you have to keep it below £135. These are all things you'll learn in the Discord. So I am below £135, so I'm happy enough to buy 15, and that is £121.25. So we're underneath that. We've got our discounts. We're now going to proceed to checkout. Okay, so we worked out at £6.73, and that's not including the 7.5% cash back. That's just going to take that on the chin. We're getting this for £2.66, and we bought 18. So £2.66 times 18 is 47.88. So say 50 quid plus the 70. We're at £120 profit so far, and that has been about 15 minutes now. Now the next store, we don't unfortunately have cashback available, but this is the Body Shop. So again, we have another discount code here to be using from our deal sheet. 3 for 2 works. We can see we're getting £3.40 profit. I'm going to buy 9 of them here. So again, £3.40 times 9 is another £30.60. We'll say 30. Okay, the next deal, I'm going to place another order for the Body Shop. This one is for 20. We're actually going to be able to get our hands on 12 of these. So that will be another 50 quid. It's another order confirmed. Okay, so what's the score so far? Well, with 50, with 30, we have 120, and we have a 70. So we're at 270 plus pounds already, and it has been about 25 minutes. Now this is a great deal here. 97% return on investment, £8.76 per unit. Some sort of tough belt thing. I don't know what the hell it is really, but it doesn't really matter. $8.99 gives us £8.76 profit. See here, selling 46 a month. If we scroll down, really very little inventory. I can buy as many as I want of these, but I wouldn't personally just get too caught up in it. People would see this and go buy. I wouldn't. I take a step back. Renault is selling about 40 a month. Not too many sellers. You would fancy if you bought 30, they would go as quick. So I'm going to go with 30 on that. And if we look at the average, we can see 25, £23. We can see down to 180s down to £22. So if you're looking at these average prices, yeah, it's maybe a bit inflated. Let's knock it down to say even 23, just to give us a bit of a fur, just to give us an idea of what maybe this could potentially drop down to or be prepared for. £7. Say £7 times 30. There's your £210. £210 plus the 270 that we've already made is £480. Give or take all the extra pennies that I've rounded down, all the cash back, we have comfortably made £500 here in about just over 30 minutes. Now what I'm going to do now is add all these to my inventory. I'm going to update Profit Protector Pro, and that's going to take on probably another 15 minutes or so. So really 45 minutes, £500 just like that. It is as easy as that. And if you're interested, again, check out the links down below, guys. I mean, this is not rocket science. It's clicking a sheet, buying it, making sure the stuff's in stock, and if you have it every day, the deals come through, you get on, you get them bought, and there's no problem. Think of how quick you get the deals, the quicker you get them in the Amazon. I went back, I do it on like a weekly basis or maybe twice a week. Go on, just have a quick look at the best deals I buy, and that is one of the better deals that's been shared into the deal group. That is some gains. Hopefully you can see now how easy it is. That is easy money all day, twice on Sundays. The stuff will come. Check out the Instagrams or the TikToks where I'll be packing this stuff up and getting it shipped into Amazon for a big Q4. Please like, subscribe, and I will see you all in the next video.